no! Oh, man! Why in every one of these games do I always get eaten all the time? Alright, through the teeth and past the gums, look out stomach, here orange comes! Yeah, wow! This is typically not what the inside of a person looks like. You might want to go get a doctor and get this checked out. Ooh, I wonder if I should get some Speedy Jeans. What do you guys think? Should I order some Speedy Jeans out of here? I think I'm gonna do it. Give me that cash money. Ow! I just got shot in the butt. Bagoy! Oh, no. Who's shaking fake ovens? Oh, yeah! Check this out, I'm surfing. Oh, that was cool. Okay, how come I don't have super speed anymore? Uh-oh, I want that cash money. Give me cash money. Quickly! Hit it! Come on! Do the thing! Flip the switch! Switch that witch! Come on! No! Are you gonna go or what? Oh, no! It's a crushing defeat! Ooh. Ugh. I'm juicy! I'm orange juicy! Think I'm gonna have to try that again. Okay, let's swing it to wing it. No rocking the boat. No rocking the boat. Woo-wee, where's Surfing Safari? Okay, I'm just gonna go right for the lever this time. Do you say lever or lever? Hey, leave her alone. Great. Okay, we gonna go? Can we go, please? Okay, there we go. I really don't want to be turned into orange juice again. That was not fun. Ooh, what do we have here? Whoa, yeah. Oh, this is off the rails, yo. What did that say? Who cares? Whoa. Hey, what's that noise? Is someone punching a robot butt? Whoa. Nice. This cart's got serious jumping skills. That was great. He's really living on a gold mine. Whoa, cool. Golden oldies, my favorite. Okay. Ooh. I'm still mostly intact. That should be fine, right? Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. Nobody knows where my body goes. Ow. Okay, word to the wise, don't jump in the goldie oldies. Because then you just turn into the crunchy scrunchies. I'm just saying words now. Come on. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Grabbed it by my pinky toe. Here we go. Yes, I did it. Grab some of that cash money. Just laying around. Get those fat stacks. Yes, you know what I do. Everybody loves them fat stacks, right? Huh, this part is really cool. Get it? Giant wheel. Wheelie. Check it out, I'm planking on planks. Looks like we're going up in the world. Okay, here we go. Yep, we're gonna make our way over to the wagon wheel. That would be one giant wagon, wouldn't it? Oh, very careful. I think you probably want to redo this. Here, you don't make a new pathway or something? If crane breaks, step here to respawn. Don't mind if I do. Was I supposed to do that? Who knows? Okay, just wait for it. Actually, I bet you jump over here. I bet you that's what you gotta do. Yes! What the? I just went right through it! I'm the invisible man, doing the can-can. Ow, ow! I like that his hair falls off. I hate it when my hair falls off. It's such a hairy situation. There we go. Yeah. Grabbing that gold. Okay, so how come I can't touch the gold when it's down in the lake, but I can touch it when it's in here? What the? Okay. Get a little shaky, a little shaky bakey. Ooh, that was close. Ooh, we made it. Hey, an elevator. Going up. Where are we going? How are we getting there? Can I drive? I have my license. I got it from John Cena. I had to wrestle him for it. He totally underestimated the power of an orange. I'm telling you, that's what happened. Real story. Oh, yeah. Whoa! This place is the bomb. Check this out. This is so cool. I want to live here. Mostly because it has 100% less giant blenders that I could fall into and get blended up. It's always a good thing, right? Hooray. All right, I think that's good enough for this episode, you guys. I'm going to continue in another episode, so stay tuned until next time. Do everything you can to make it the most popular video on the internet, because Totally Surfing is so good. Ooh,